can see this board was fractured on the front. I bought it like this for a deeply discounted price, so I'm not tripping. I actually rolled it for the past month. But I want to see if I can just fix this board using this fiberglass resin kit that I got from Walmart. I got some wood filler. I'm probably not even going to use it, so it probably goes back, but we'll see. So this is an 80 grit. I got a pack of different grits for the sandpaper, so I'm starting over to 80 to just try to get out the previous owner's attempt to fix it, which I'm not sure even what he did. He said his ad said that he used fiberglass resin, so that's what I'm doing. But I'm gonna undo what he did, because he did repair it pretty well, but he repaired it with this 40, there's like 30-degree angle in there for some reason. So here we go. So I took everything off. I peeled back the grip tape. I actually set a towel on it, and then an iron on top of the towel for a little while, and that loosened up the adhesive on the grip tape. I've seen a lot of people use heat guns, not heat guns, well, heat guns and hair dryers, but just a regular old towel, like a washcloth, like this, on it, and then your iron, just sit it on there for a little while. This is not on, but I'm just showing you guys what I did. Set it on there for a little while, then I moved it down and let it heat up another portion while I was peeling this portion up, and then after a while it was just super easy to come off. So I'm at work, and a co-worker said that if I wanted to bend the tip back up to a straight position and have it be right, that I should steam it. So I have this steamer here. I set it on the unit like that. Just set it on there just like that and turned it on for about 20 minutes and just let it steam real good. So, and it worked. It did the trick. It bent it up. It's allowing it to bend back perfectly. You can see that. So what I'm gonna do is let this weight sit on it, because I have all this stuff here. So gonna let this weight sit on it for the next couple hours, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna sand down the rough spots and put some wood filler in it, and then sand that down to a nice smooth surface, and then I'll fiberglass it. Poured the resin. Came with a tray, but felt like it was too deep for what I was doing, so I'm just gonna use a paper plate from the break room. Put a hole in here. My X-Acto knife. It said use a push pin or something. I didn't have that. I have this. It says 6 drops per ounce. This is probably 2 ounces. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So I just dropped 12. I'm gonna mix it. Use my roller. Got a little paintbrush roller here. From one of the projects at the house. Mix the hardener. Make sure I'm mixing it real well. That is only an 8 to 12 minute work time, so you want to do this pretty fast. Then it says to roll it onto the to the surface area. Now I'm gonna try to stop. I have these taped off, but I'm going to try to just keep it towards the front of my board. I already cut it to length. It'll be fine. Push this out towards the edges. The resin is saturated. I mean the fiberglass cloth is saturated. Pushing out towards the edges. And I've inadvertently covered the holes that I didn't want to cover. But I do want enough fiberglass to make this joint strong. A lot more of this time. This is my only project, so I'm gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Half. This resin is kind of strong, has a strong smell. Let's make sure this is saturated. It's definitely sticky. Then just continue to build up this area. Now I did cover up some of my my truck mount holes. I was gonna just drill those back out right here. All right, my fiberglass is dry, so I'm just gonna start cutting out the cutting off the excess. It's pretty hard too, man. It's like it is rock solid. It is hard. Now I'm gonna start sanding it down with this 80 grit sandpaper. Get it nice and smooth all around. Oh, it's trying to get nice and smooth. That's nice. Nice. I cleaned it up a little bit, sanding it down. Alright, I have all my grip tape off. It just peeled right off. It was nothing too crazy. I just washed the board a little bit, so I mean, I just sprayed it with just Windex. But so this is my front end. It's smooth. It's like extremely smooth. It doesn't probably appear that way, but it's extremely smooth. I have my trucks back on, so now I have a much more even board. So I'm happy about that. I repaired it. I painted it black. There's a whole bunch of stickers. I'm about to put some lights on this. There you go. Good job. Good job. Very good. back in business.